Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a look at the sterling versus U.S. dollar as we head into the new trading week starting February 19, 2024. So let's get started. Well, I'm not going to give up on the red box. The red box encompasses basically from 126 on the downside to 128 on the top side. The price remained in that red box all through this period, which is about 5 trading weeks. In trading last week, the price fell below that level, coming down to test the 38.2% retracement, moved to just a little bit below that level before failing and starting its rotation back to the upside. That move to the upside didn't stall until it reached this 200-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and found willing sellers against that level before rotating back to the downside, helped by the CPI data on Tuesday. That took the price back outside of this red box. What is important to note here is that the price on the price high did stall against that into that yellow area. That's the low of that swing area, and I messed it up, but you can see the other level other highs here also stalled within that yellow area. That yellow area is the range of the bottoms near the 126 level, basically up to 126.14, and we found those willing sellers in that area right through there. And turning here today, and more recently actually, and as we head into the close, we're seeing a squeeze to the upside that's taking the price back within the red box and above that yellow area, and that was a significant move. But since then, we've seen the price move back down. We currently trade right at around the 126 level. You can't see it, but we're currently trading at 1.262, which is the low of this swing area. So guess what? We're ending the week on the edge of the red box. And that's going to be our barometer for trading next week. If the price were to move back within the red box and get above the 1314 level, then we're going to have the 100-bar moving average and the 200-bar moving average, which again stalled the rally earlier this week, as the next key target to get to and through. If we move above that level, it opens the door for further upside momentum toward really the high prices up to the 128-ish type level. That would be the progression to the upside if the price can A, remain above the 126 level, B, start to get above these moving averages here and stay above those levels. Now, if with the price trading at the low of this swing area as well, we could also look at this area as and the failure above the 126 1314 level as a signal that, well, the buyers can't really do much on the top side. And so if we do see more momentum to the downside, the 200-day moving average will be the next key target. Now, some of you will say, well, we moved below it on Tuesday, we moved below it on Wednesday, we moved below it today, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know which days these are. But what we know is that, what we also know is that each of the lows here were subsequently higher. So it's not necessarily guaranteed that we break below the 200-day moving average and we move lower. We're going to have to also get below the low prices from this week, successively higher low prices in that, and then work our way toward the 38.2% retracement. That 38.2% retracement, as most people know, I'd like to see at least the 38.2% retracement be broken on the downside if the sellers are to take more control. And we did move it just a little bit below it here, but could not sustain the momentum below that level. So I'm not counting that as one of a concerted break, or the sellers saying that, hey, we want to take more control. They need to get below that 38.2 and probably even the 100-day moving average, rising 100-day moving average at 124.97. Let's call it 125 to convince the sellers that that is the way to go in this currency pair. So buyers and sellers are trying to figure out what it wants to do at the 126 level on the pound versus US dollar. That's going to be our key barometer going to the new trading week. See which way it wants to push. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.